Yeah, again, my people. Welcome to another episode of Make Sense, And as I say, if it makes sense, show it makes sense. Yeah, well, today I know we want to touch upon a point here where, you know, why you see some man always a lose the woman. You know what I mean? To so also ordinary little man in a way. May I tell you, say, you not even would have think to yourself, say, your woman would have give a man like that a second, half a minute, much less a whole half a day, you know? Yeah. How it all started, man. I remember, a day up on my father because me never really live with my father when me a boy, you know? Yeah, me go live with my father when me approximately um 17. Then here today, me go live with my father. So me always go visit my father and thing. And I remember one evening, my father come from bush because my father is a farmer, and me see my father a wash. I go there go see my father a wash and thing, and him a say to me say Alando, then time there Alando him a call me. Me say Alando, you see the amount of white marina when me got. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I say, yeah, man, me see amount where you got, cause you wash some already. They have them. You have wash some. You have some in a soak. You rinse some, and yeah. And man, I say, say, the marina, yeah. In the first place, they weren't mines. No, them belongs to your brother, them. Bush and them are, But them no want them because they dirty, and as succumbs, them becomes mine. Because what them wear them and then throw them down and refuse to wash them. You see me? Yeah, and as of such, me take them, and me wash them, and now they are mine. From a young and tender age, my father give me the reasoning then, and me reach adult stage, you see me, and me really realize, say, you see the reasoning the way my father give me is always a reasoning for me take into consideration. You know what I mean? Because now that me remember the reasoning there and me analyze the situation when me see a take place with some man, and some woman too. It's the same way some man have their woman, and when time then just a go in a their relationship, relationship nice, you know what I mean? Loving and everything because the relationship was new, and now that the relationship no bother new again, things where they usually do or where they supposed to fear do, they stop doing it. You know what I mean? Just like how my brother them did have them white marina them, and then wear them when they knew, and after they wear use them and abuse them, they refuse them and turn around reject them. You know what I mean? And as so comes, you see, my father could have be able to have all of them white marina the way it belongs to the boy them. So the thing go with some man. You see me? Them find a woman, you know what I mean, and them treat the woman good in the first place. You see me? Yeah. And after a while, them just like them nobody care again. Yeah, them just want to treat the woman any way. And as so comes, you see some ordinary little man, where them little man they want something or want somebody. You know? Take up the woman. You know, the dirty woman. Where the man no bother want again. And take her up. Wash her off. You know what I mean? Because sometimes, you know, man, you see the carrier, more while, you know, me I'll go towards some dirt and something with this car, you know. And when you look upon it, you know, man, it is a disgrace. But you see, one time I stay some room and me get soap and water and me wash it down. Jesus God. You know I see it when time the sun shine upon you, it shine. You know what I mean? Yeah. I saw some man take up some woman where some man dump. You see me, because them say, you know, one man's meal, you know, might be another man's poison, you know, and one man treasure might be another man's garbage, and it go vice versa. One man garbage is another man's treasure. You see me? Yeah, and I saw the thing go. Some man take up some woman where some man feel say no good again. You see me? And turn them in a some preps. Me I tell you. And the said man where did see the woman as garbage. And that the same man there would have stopped it nothing, you know, goodly all want to kill all the man we take up the woman when time after him dump her. You know? Yeah. I saw the thing go. Woman them likewise have their man and treat the man like garbage. And it so happened that they never light and dog a 7 puppy. The man buck a judgment way know how to love and take care of a man. You see me? And put back the man on him foot. And I saw you go. You know? Cause and the queffer, you know the vibe.